You're a stay-at-home mom looking for passive way to make income or to contribute to the financial status of the house, or you're into your 9 to 5 and you seem not to be satisfied, or you're overwhelmed by the activities, or what you're bringing home is not equivalent to the needs. Okay, so as we journey through the remaining parts of 2024, we are just 38 days away from 2024. It is worth taking a deep reflection of what you want 2025 to look like. Okay, so in today's video, we'll be looking at 3 passive income ideas that you can start with zero investment in 2025. Not just starting with zero investment, but this passive income are proven and they are evergreen based on personal encounter. These are businesses that I have embarked on and I have proved, and others also have embarked on, and they have tangible results. Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're looking at 3 business ideas that you can start with zero investment in 2025, and it would fetch your passive income. Not just fetching your passive income, at the long run might replace your 9 to 5.
Wake up, start the grind, it's time to shine. Side hustles, call you.
Okay, so these businesses are not just based on speculations, but they are proven, they are tested, and they are proven. Okay, and the most amazing aspect of it that it will cost you zero capital to start. So all you just need is your internet connection, maybe your phone or your laptop, and you're good to go. Okay, so the first on my list here is writing ebook. Yes, writing ebooks. Now, this is what I've always preached, and this is what I do likewise. I write ebooks. And one amazing aspect of it that you don't need to be an author, you don't need to have a special skill in writing before you start writing an ebook. With your laptop and with the help of AI, you can produce as many ebooks as possible. And one good thing about this ebook is that it's evergreen. You can write your ebook and have produce the paperback of it. You don't need to be a publisher before you can write an ebook. Okay, so with your Canva or your definitely Canva, ChatGPT, or any other AI tool, you have your book ready. Canva will give you ideas of ebook. You can write ebook based on your personal experience. I can also produce an ebook based on demand, what is on sales, what is on demand in the market. You can use your Google Trend or any other AI tool to make research of books in high demand. And one aspect of ebooks I capitalize on is children low content books, maybe journals, children book, yes, children activity book. You know that as children grow, definitely they will have to read maybe children's storybook, activity book, journals, low content book, because the demand for this kind of books are very high. Definitely children will go to school and there is always demand for their books, their storybook, bedtime storybook, their activity book in school. So, and journals, people read journals, they take journals or they buy journals for daily activities. So you make your research and look for books on demand, so that you won't go and write book and it would spam up. It's there spamming up. But you write book, make your research, use your AI tools to make research for books on high demand, and you have your passive income coming in. And one good thing about this, once you can get a good book on demand or in demand, on in high demand, and you're right, for years it will keep fetching you your this thing, it will keep paying you, you keep earning royalty from these books. So all you need to do is just get a book in demand, use your ChatGPT, okay, to get outlines or to get ideas. Go to ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT to generate ideas for children, low content book, or maybe activity book, and ChatGPT will give it to you. Go to Canva. Even ChatGPT will not give you the outline. You can as well give the ChatGPT the prompt, develop this, and ChatGPT develops this, and you go to your Canva or your Google Doc, convert it to an ebook, and you go to KDP, publish, or any other market. You can go to Payhip, Etsy, Lulu. There are so many marketplaces, online marketplaces, where you can publish your books, and you're selling, you're earning your royalty. Okay, so the next on my list is selling of digital products, specifically print on demand. Yes, if you follow my channel, you know that most of my videos are based on print on digital products, print on demand, writing of books. Now, print on demand, for you to one business that is evergreen, okay, and that would fetch your passive income come 2025 is print on demand. Okay, so and one good thing about this, you need zero investment, zero capital to start this. Just your laptop, internet connection, and AI tools, you're good to go. You don't need to be a have a special skill in designing or graphics designing. Or you just need give it a little of your time, and the more you do, the better you get. Print on demand, you can design clothes, okay, design t-shirts, you design wallpaper, design digital wall art, you design cups, mugs, different design. So you can use different print-on-demand platforms such as Printful, Printify, okay? You mock up these designs and you connect them to your, either you start a website, you might not even need a website. There are marketplaces where you can connect these print-on-demand platforms such as Etsy, Gumroad, Shopify. So you connect your starts at the Printify pop-up shop. Now with your Printify pop-up shop, you do your design and you go to your Printify pop-up shop, you mock up this design, connect it, either you do your personal marketing on these platforms, okay, or you connect it to your website. And if you don't want to start your personal website, you can connect this print on demand platform to any marketplace, maybe like Etsy or Shopify or eBay. So you connect your print on demand platform to any of those marketplaces, and you market it, okay, market, and you're getting your sales. And one good thing about it, that once you break through, once you're consistent, one good thing, consistent, you're breaking through, you're doing your markets, you're marketing the product. You won't just, okay, so, oh, print on demand and I do it, or you do your design and you relax. There's also a place of marketing. You market, oh, I have this design, I have that design. Before you know it, once you have good reviews on your product, people have purchased your products or the products you have on this online platform, and they have good reviews, you've broken through, or you break through. And one good thing about this, you're not delivering any goods to anyone. You're not have carrying out any inventory. The bulk of the work, all you just need is to do is your design, and the bulk of the work lies on the print on demand platform. They'll be the one to print the work. They'll be the one to do the delivery. So all you need to do is just carry out the design, and that is it. You're earning your passive income. So that is an easy way to make money in 2025 without carrying out any inventory, without any capital, okay, or any upfront payment. You might just pay little money for these marketplaces to connect, or you start your own website and you find out that your money is coming in, okay. So affiliate marketing is all about promoting someone else's goods. Okay. Now someone has a good for sale and you promote it. Once you promote it via your link and someone makes a purchase via your link, you earn your commission. So in this case, you're not selling any physical products. All you just need is to what? Promote a product or promote someone else's product via your link. And once that product or once someone purchases that product via your link, you earn your commission. And one thing about affiliate marketing is just that you have to have a very strong online presence. Online presence in the sense that you have to have a strong have an online platform, maybe a YouTube channel, a Facebook channel, Twitter, okay, maybe a TikTok or any other online platform where you have followers. So via this, you advertise your link, and via your link, you promote this the product. And once someone purchases the product via your link, you earn your commission. So with this, you have zero investment. You're not investing any capital to this, and you are earning your passive income. So you have platforms like Amazon. You can become an Amazon affiliate. Okay, you have platform like let's say Etsy. So all you need so there are so many online marketplaces that are looking for affiliate marketers that will promote products, I've mentioned Amazon associate. You can become an Amazon associate, or you become an Amazon influencer, whichever one you want, or you just need this to apply. You don't need to pay any money upfront. Apply for it. Like I said, you need to have a very strong online presence. Okay, so Amazon associate or Amazon influencer. Also, you have Shopify affiliate, Clickbank, also Etsy. Yes, Etsy. You also can become an Etsy affiliate. So so many of them are looking for affiliate marketers to promote products. And once you promote these products and these products are purchased via your link, you're earning your passive income without much stress. So come 2025, you don't need to be stranded or confused of what to do. Whether you're working or you're still at home mom, all you just need is take your time, make your research. Go to this platform, come online, make research. And there are so many ways you can make money online. And that's money or okay, so with this, we've come to the end of this video. So if this video has added any value to you, please do well, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, and start planning ahead for a bountiful or a pleasant 2025. Thank you.
Wake up, start the grind.